Let's see how to add background color to your Google Sheets data, starting with a solid fill and then moving on to alternating colors for a cleaner look. First, select the range you want to color, like this entire sales table from A1 to H16. With the range selected, open the Fill Color tool from the toolbar. Pick any solid color from the palette, such as this cornflower blue, and it instantly fills the whole selection. If you like this video so far, hit the like button to help others find it. To remove the solid fill, reopen the Fill Color tool and choose Reset. Now let's try a more polished approach, alternating row colors, which often make tables easier to read. Go to the Format menu and select Alternating Colors. In the sidebar that opens, choose a predefined style, like this cyan one, and the colors apply immediately. Click Done to keep the formatting. Then click outside the table to see the final result. So, whether you need a quick solid background or a more structured alternating pattern, Google Sheets has you covered. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more spreadsheet tips.